My friend from Sweden asked me, how can I make money online quickly? My answer was impossible. You cannot make money online in a short time. If you want to make good money, you need skill, a lot of time, and consistency. But if you need quick cash, you can do extra shift in your current job. In your home, there will be so many items which you are not using. You can sell them. You can work as a driver, driving Uber, Careem, or any food delivery services. Do the home cooking and sell snacks or any other job through which you can make money. My friend was not convinced and he said, look at all these people, how they are making money. My reply was, yes, there are people who are making millions of dollars in a year. But when they started, how long it took them to reach to this level? It is not quick success. It takes time to be successful online. I am not saying that no one can make money online. You need skill, time, and consistency to make money online. If you are doing your 9 to 5 job and you are thinking that I will quit my job and I will start my online business, it takes a lot of time to be successful. My friend was convinced and he took the extra shift to earn the required money.